Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing too well. I'm your friend and brother Smith Seth and I welcome all of you on a channel Affiliate Leaders Club. If you're new to this channel, yes, if you're new to this channel, come on man, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get all the notification because in this channel, I'm making so many videos on affiliate marketing, online business. If anybody of you don't want to miss any video, come on, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So in today's video, we will discuss about that which product, which commission system we have to choose and which commission system will give us a long-term income, a long-term passive income. See, we are in affiliate marketing. We are not here for the short game. We are here for the lifelong game. We are here to make our future, to make our fortune. So it's all about the mind game. You must have to choose a product which gives you a long-term income, and I will tell you how to choose that product. Okay, the very first thing, people do a lot of mistakes in this industry, and that is good. From mistakes we learn, but doing that mistake again, it's the biggest mistake, and this is the cause of the failure. What people normally do, they choose the product, a single product. They are promoting the single product. Traffic comes towards the product, someone purchases it, someone will leave it. The person who leaves them should also go, and the person who purchased them should also leave you, because his motto is fulfilled here. You sell the product, the customer purchased it, he will leave you. This is the biggest mistake. You do lot of efforts here, you pay money, you do paid ad campaigns, you do free campaigns, you bring traffic here, and you put lot of energy and time here. See, our time, energy and money is very precious. And you bring lot of traffic here. From those traffic, some will purchase the product, and those who purchase the product should also leave you, because their motto is fulfilled here. The objective is fulfilled here. This is a mistake which normal people do, so that they are not making a big money in affiliate marketing. To earn a big money, what you have to do, you must have to see a upsell commission in your affiliate program. Sorry. You must have to see a upsell commission. Upsell commission. What is upsell commission? See, so you choose a product. Your product should also have a upsell product. These are the products which are connected with your products on the back end. See, you go to supermarket, there are a lot of products there. Once the people enter it, they have a mentality to choose one product, to purchase one product. But by watching all the products, they also want to purchase others one. And by purchasing other one, the vendor, the merchant, who are selling the product, who are running the supermarket, get commission from all of those products. See, this is the thing. You put campaign here, traffic campaign, you bring your traffic here. When someone purchases your product and your product is too good, your product is problem solving, solution solving, and provides quality to the customer, your customer should also want to buy these products. These are the upsell products. When your one customer purchase these products also, you will get commission again and again. This is the smartness. From single customer, you will get commission again and again on selling of these products too. What people do before? People focus on a single product, customer come and leaves you. Here customer comes, you grab the customer. You also show your customer we have some good products also. Come on, watch these products. If this is good for you, you have to purchase it. And whenever your customer purchases this product, you will get commission again and again. This is a smartness. This is a proper utilization of time, energy and money. So whenever you choose the program, you have to see that you don't choose a single product. You always choose the upsell products or upsell commission system. Second thing, your program must have a recurring commission. This is another great thing. These commissions are provided by SaaS. The programs who are on the monthly based, who are on the monthly fees based. There are so many companies which are running the software companies or which are providing the email services to use email services. They are getting a monthly fees from the customers. So if you are an affiliate of that company, so see there is a software company, okay, and he is providing the hosting, or you can build websites there, you can use all the tools there, plus you can also get email responded. There are a lot of things there. And you are an affiliate of the company and you bring a customer to this company. Okay, and this customer should have to pay this company every month for using their services. For using their services. This customer pay every month and you are getting commission every month from the fees which this customer paid. This is the smartness. Up to lifetime you will earn the commission from the single customer. See, the whatever effort you do here, you bring traffic, you put campaign, you put free campaign, paid campaign, you bring traffic. From this traffic, customer purchase the product, and from this product, fees goes to company, and you are the affiliate, you will get commission here every month. First month, second month, third month, fourth month, sixth month, seventh month, up to years, you will get commission from their fees. This is the smartest. So your single customer give you lifelong income. This is the great source of passive income. Recurring income is a very, very powerful income. Very, very powerful income. If your product has this income now, and you have to just work for 2 or 3 years, your 2-3 years work gives you a lifelong income. Gives you lifelong income. So this is a smartness. All the professionals who are in this industry always select product, always select the best product with the best commission system. Upsell commission and recurring commission. And the third, that is biggest thing. Third last one, that is a 2-tier commission. If your affiliate program has a 2-tier commission, it's the biggest advantage for you. If your product is recurring commission plus 2-tier commission, this is one of the best and biggest advantage for you people. What happened to 2-tier commission? See, you are a man here and you sponsor someone, you sponsor a customer to purchase a product. See, the product has a recurring commission. He pays monthly fees, you will get the commission. Plus, if this person also sponsor someone other to use the services of company, he also pay monthly commission. He is getting the commission from his, because he is paying the fees. I am talking about a recurring commission, 2-tier commission. This is first tier, this is second tier. In second tier, this one will get commission from his fees, plus you can also get commission monthly. You can also get commission monthly. This is the power of that tier. You can sponsor so many persons. You can sponsor so many persons. All of these persons are paying monthly. You are getting commission monthly. Plus, these persons also sponsors other persons. These are in 2-tier, and these 2-tier persons also pays monthly fees. This person also get commission who is in your first tier, and this one, that is you, also get commission again and again monthly. This takes your commission up to the skyrocket. You will earn lot of money from there and lifelong income. This is not income from the single one. This is not a single time income. This is the lifelong passive income source. See, if your commission system is like this, you will make your future. You will make your fortune. You can earn while you bath. You can earn while you sleep. You can earn while you travel. There is no need to earn again and again from a single thing. You can earn this commission again and again. So this is the power of the 2-tier recurring commission and the upsell commission. So whenever you choose the product, you have to put these three things in your mind, that your commission system should be like this. Choose the product like this. I am talking about the CLICKBANK Series, the biggest marketplace. You have to choose the product like this, so that whatever the effort you make in a paid or a free campaign, you put a lot of energy, you put a lot of money, and you put a lot of effort to bring a traffic. So your traffic should not go waste. Your client should have to pay you again and again. This is a smartness which you have to use in the affiliate marketing system. When I come in this industry, I do a lot of mistakes. I do mistakes again and again. When my mentor teach me that you have to, change yourself, you have to change your mentality, you have to work like professionals, see the things, be creative, be smart. Look at the product which is very useful for you and useful for your customer, and look at the commission system which gives you money for the lifelong. So, because I see you again and again, time, energy and money are very precious. Okay, so I am promoting the product. I offer for you also. I am promoting the product Builderall. Why I suggest you Builderall again and again? Because Builderall gives all the tools which every affiliate marketers need. Because Builderall gives you all the tools which help you to make more and more money in this industry, which helps you to make a passive income. You need landing page, you need website, you need email autoresponder, you need animated videos, you need floating videos, you need whatever you need for blogs, for website, for webinars, each and everything should be available in the Builderall. So go and check it. Go for the 7 days free trial. If you promote Builderall as an affiliate, you will get 100% commission plus 30% recurring commission plus 30% commission plus car bonus $500 to $1,000. I already make a video on this. Come on, I put a link in the description box of that video. Come on, go and check it and use the tools. Make your future, because the tools are very pocket friendly. If you compare Builderall tools to other, to other tool provider companies, you will see the price, you will compare the price. Builderall is quality based plus pocket friendly. So I will give the link in the description box. Go for 7 days free trial. This is all about today's video. Whatever product you promote, either Builderall or someone else, must see these commission features in your product. Make your future, make your fortune. This is Sumit Sethi for today's video. I will see you in another video very soon. Till then, have a great, fantastic, and energetic day.